I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Ambie earbuds. First, make sure your Ambie earbuds are fully charged. This ensures a smooth pairing process without interruptions. Also, keep your device, whether it's a phone or tablet, close to the earbuds. Finally, confirm that Bluetooth is enabled on your device before proceeding to the next step. These initial preparations are key for a successful connection. Once your earbuds are charged and Bluetooth is on, it's time to activate pairing mode. Simply open the charging case, and your Ambie earbuds should automatically enter pairing mode. You'll typically see a flashing LED light on the earbuds, indicating they are ready to be discovered by your device. If the lights are not flashing, you may need to hold a button for 3 to 5 seconds to power them on. Now grab your device and navigate to its Bluetooth settings. Look for Ambie Earbuds or Ambie Amtwa 02XXXX in the list of available devices. Tap on it to initiate the connection. Your device might ask for confirmation, so accept the pairing request. You should hear a connected voice prompt from your earbuds, confirming a successful link. If you encounter any issues, try these troubleshooting tips. First, restart both your Ambie earbuds and your connecting device. If that doesn't work, go to your device's Bluetooth settings, forget the Ambie earbuds, and then repeat the pairing process. Also, ensure no other devices are currently connected to your earbuds, as some models support only 1 or 2 active connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.